You know that feeling when you call a company, and before you even get to speak to a human, you're greeted by a friendly, automated voice guiding you through a series of options? Press 1 for sales, press 2 for support, press 3 for billing. Sound familiar? What if I told you that seemingly simple interaction is powered by a sophisticated technology that can revolutionize how businesses manage their calls and interact with customers? And what if I told you that RingCentral, a leader in cloud communications, makes this incredibly powerful tool not just accessible, but easily customizable for businesses of all sizes? Today, we're diving deep into a crucial acronym in the world of business communications: IVR. Specifically, we're going to explore what IVR means in RingCentral, how it works, and why it's an absolute game-changer for businesses looking to enhance their customer experience and streamline their operations. So let's unpack this. IVR stands for Interactive Voice Response. At its core, an IVR system is a technology that allows a computer to interact with humans through the use of voice and dual-tone multi-frequency, DTMF, tones, which are the sounds generated when you press numbers on your phone's keypad. Think of it as an automated receptionist that can understand your voice or button presses and direct your call to the right department or provide you with information without requiring human intervention. Now, why is this so important for a platform like RingCentral? RingCentral is designed to be a comprehensive cloud communication solution, bringing together voice, video, messaging, and contact center capabilities into one unified platform. IVR is a cornerstone of this offering, providing an intelligent layer that sits at the very beginning of a customer's journey when they call your business. In the context of RingCentral, IVR isn't just about simple call routing. It's about creating a dynamic, personalized, and efficient experience for every inbound caller. Imagine a customer calling your business. Instead of being met with a perpetually busy signal or a generic ringing tone, they're immediately welcomed by a professional voice. This voice can present them with a menu of options, guiding them to the specific department or information they need. Let's break down some of the key functionalities and benefits of IVR within RingCentral. Firstly, intelligent call routing. This is perhaps the most fundamental aspect. Instead of having a live receptionist manually transfer calls, which can be time-consuming and prone to error, an IVR system automatically directs calls based on the caller's input. For example, if a customer presses 1 for sales, the IVR system instantly routes them to the sales team's queue. If they press 2 for support, they go to the support queue. This drastically reduces wait times, ensures callers reach the right person quickly, and frees up your staff to focus on more complex tasks. Secondly, 24/7 self-service capabilities. This is a massive advantage. Many customer inquiries are repetitive and don't necessarily require a live agent. With RingCentral's IVR, you can configure options that allow callers to access information independently. Think about checking order status, getting answers to frequently asked questions, finding store hours, or even resetting a password, all without speaking to a human. This not only empowers your customers, but also significantly reduces the workload on your customer service team, allowing them to dedicate their time to more intricate issues. Imagine the cost savings and increased customer satisfaction when simple inquiries can be resolved instantly, at any time of day or night. Thirdly, enhanced professionalism and brand image. A well-designed IVR system projects an image of professionalism and efficiency. A clear, well-recorded voice, combined with intuitive menu options, gives callers confidence that they've reached a well-organized and customer-centric business. This creates a positive first impression, which is crucial for building customer loyalty. RingCentral allows you to customize your IVR greetings and menus with professional voiceovers, ensuring your brand message is consistent and polished. Fourthly, improved data collection and analytics. Because IVR systems track caller interactions, they generate valuable data. RingCentral's analytics tools can provide insights into caller behavior, popular menu options, peak call times, and even common caller inquiries. This data is gold for businesses looking to optimize their operations. For instance, if you notice a particular IVR option is being selected frequently, it might indicate a need for more resources in that area or perhaps a more prominent display of that information on your website. Fifthly, scalability and flexibility. As your business grows, your call volume is likely to increase. Manually handling this growth can be incredibly challenging. RingCentral's IVR system scales effortlessly with your business. You can easily add or modify IVR menus and options as your needs evolve, without requiring significant technical expertise or costly hardware upgrades. This flexibility ensures your communication system can adapt to your changing business requirements. Let's talk about how easy it is to set up an IVR in RingCentral. You don't need to be a coding genius or have a deep understanding of telecommunications infrastructure. RingCentral's intuitive administrative portal allows you to design your IVR flow using a drag-and-drop interface. You can create different menus, define actions for each menu option, like routing to an extension, playing a message, or connecting to a voicemail, and even schedule different IVR greetings for specific times of day or holidays. It's all about empowering businesses to take control of their call flow. Consider a practical example. A small e-commerce business using RingCentral. When a customer calls, the IVR can present options like press 1 for order status, press 2 for product inquiries, press 3 for returns and exchanges, or press 4 to speak with a customer service representative. Each option leads to a specific outcome. If they press 1, the IVR might ask for their order number and then retrieve and read out the shipping status. If they press 2, it routes them to a product specialist. This not only saves the business money by automating routine tasks, but also provides a much faster and more satisfying experience for the customer. Another powerful feature within RingCentral's IVR is the ability to create complex multi-level IVRs. This means you can have a main menu, and then within each option you can create submenus. For instance, if a caller selects support, they might then be presented with further options like technical support, billing support, or troubleshooting FAQs. This allows for a highly granular and precise routing of calls, ensuring callers are directed to the absolute best resource for their specific need. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.